Art competition for Year 1 and 2.
Hello Year 1 and 2, I hope you're all well. For this year's St David's Day celebrations, Teledu'r have decided to do something a little bit different and host a Steddfod tea. There will be 4 competitions for Year 1 and 2, 2 set within the classroom and 2 to be completed at home. All the work will need to be completed by Friday, March the 12th. Enjoy the competition everyone, and good luck to you all.